Welcome back to Leverage Your Spark. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. We're continuing with our 5-part episode series on how to make a decision on a tool, app, or software service. Today, in part 4, we're tackling implementation, creating a plan to incorporate your new tool and maximize its value. It's okay, I get it. Talking about implementation isn't very exciting, except it can be, because this is how you ensure that sizzling potential of this app turns into real time and sanity savings in your day-to-day. I think most of us have probably been in this situation. We think we found the perfect tool, app, or software for our business. Now comes a real challenge, implementation. It's a fact. Change is hard. And incorporating new tools into your workflow can be an uphill battle, even if it's just you that has to make a change. Not to mention trying to get a whole team of people to modify their behavior and change their workflow. But you can smooth out the road and ensure that you're choosing a good fit for your business by considering implementation before you hit the buy button. That's why we're discussing this process for thinking through software implementation, ensuring a smoother transition, and ultimately maximizing the value of your new tool because it's actually getting used. All right, imagine the satisfaction of seamlessly integrating a new tool into your business, watching as it improves efficiency, productivity, and maybe even team morale. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with a solid implementation plan, it's possible. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you think through the software implementation. All right, so first, accept that change is hard. And this is going to require time, effort, energy, and resources to implement any solution. Doesn't matter which one you pick. Brace yourself and your team for the work ahead, but also remember that the payoff will be worth it. Okay, so next, make a plan for how to onboard the company and team to the tool. Embracing the places that are going to be challenging instead of ignoring them. All right, think about the training, resources, and support the team will need during the process. Breaking it into manageable steps can help you avoid feeling overwhelmed by all of this. And finally, be really clear about the benefits of using the tool so the team can see the value of the work they have to put in to incorporate the tool. It's really helpful if your implementation plan can help reinforce these benefits and improvements as they happen. This can keep the team excited and engaged about embracing this change that they need to realize the value of this software, app, or tool. By using these steps when considering new tools, you will be well on your way to successfully implementing it and maximizing its value to your organization. Change can be hard, but with a thoughtful implementation, you'll be reaping the rewards in no time. All right, so in the next episode, we are wrapping up our 5-part series on making informed decisions when selecting a tool, app, or software service by talking about cost. If you enjoyed this episode, you can head on over to leverageyourspark.com to subscribe, leave us a review, or share with a friend. Everyone deserves to have less stress and more impact. I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, keep leveraging your spark to ignite possibility.